Hello guys, welcome to Go Freelancer tutorial. Today we're going to see how to count or how to group the files which are matched with the extension. See here I have extension .txt, .pdf and .xml. So I want to group and I want to find how many files is there in my array with the particular extension. So txt I have a three extension. So it contains three files with the txt and two files with a PDF and one files with the XML extension. So I want to group those files with the extension and I want to display. This is my today's topics that I going to show you. So we're going to start. I'm going to explain that I'm using the LINQ pad tutorial with the C# statement. I'm executing these queries and here I'm trying to explain with the LINQ how to achieve this. Okay, now I'm going to write some piece of code first to select the extension of the file. So just here the simple logic, we have to group with the extension. So let's me create one variable called result. Okay, and find the array dot select file such that dot trim start. So because we don't want the start element, so I'm trimming that dot trim with the dot to lower. Okay, so what I did here is I select the file with the extension trim start. So if you do the trim start, so whatever this is the start and this is the end. Actually if you do the trim start, it will consider. So just to cut it out and just select only the txt file. So it is selecting only txt and convert all this to the toolbar, because here you have uppercase and this, then it will be grouped separately. If you do the toolbar, so commonly it will be considered as a one single word. Okay, it will accept only the single quote, so normally that C# does. Okay, so next I want to group this with the extension. So how to achieve that? Dot group by x equal to x comma extension and the extension count. Okay, new one is the named as extension ext and second is count, that is extcnt dot count. Okay, okay, quickly I will explain you what I did here. So I just grouped with this extension txt we will get from this. So here what I declared is the same variable I split it into the two, because one we can I created the two object. One is ext and extctn. So cnt is both are holding the same value, txt and pdf xml. So this extension this is the object that to get the extension name and the second object that I used to get the count. It is a Fluent API that normally LINQ gets benefit of this. So if you can create the multiple, so single object it will throws the error, so we can use such a object. So this is x equal to x is the same what the value it's written, and the second level it will this is the operation. So the operation you can create the multiple object and you can count that. Okay, I close the group by operation. Okay, it's done now. So what I did is I selected the files with the path extension and trim the start element, and only I'm keeping the extension names. So here what I written the query is I just to take the extension, and the extension I split into the two object, and one object I just directly called for the extension, and one is to check the count of that. Okay, it's done now. The result we will get is with the extension of the count. Now we have to write the result like this. So I'm using here for each to write the condition like that. For each variable something like ext in a result. Okay, then console dot write line. Okay, build on query. Okay, 0 files with extension name, and like well extension. Okay, pass the first parameter ext dot count, and the second parameter ex dot extension. Okay, so finally everything is done now. Okay, so we builded our result, and finally everything is done. Let's go and execute the result. Okay, after executing, yes, I get the result exactly what I showed you before. So this is what we want in output. So it's got grouped with extension, and how many files also it's now grouped, and it's giving me the result. So this is the way to achieve by finding with the three files. Normally I can tell that. Yeah. So this is the way to go and group with the extension, and even you can find how many extension normally we have in our array. So hopes you understand. Thanks for watching the video, guys. It's very simple. Just try from your end, so you can apply for a different scenario as well. So just understand what the group by is doing, how we are splitting the objects. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any doubt queries, please comment us. Please subscribe our channel if you're not subscribed before.